Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable return missed call from the lock screen on iPhone. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, firstly you have to go to your settings app on your phone. And after that, in the settings page, you have to scroll it down a bit more and find out the Face ID and passcode option. I'm gonna tap it right now. I'm gonna open it right now. And after that, just enter your passcode. Now you just have to scroll it down a bit more here. Under Allow Access when locked, you will see Return Missed Calls. Switch the toggle next to Return Missed Call. As you can see, mine is disabled, so to enabling, just tap on the button here. When it's turned green, that means enable, and to disabling, just do the same things. Just do the same way, tap on the toggle. So yeah guys, just it. I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one, and good luck.